Hey guys, Pat1979 here. Gonna bring to you guys today a review on the Tomolo lighter ARC USB waterproof. So that's a mouthful and not in the right order, but anyways. So yeah guys, the Tomolo USB lighter. So guys, these lighters come in many different brands. They come from the same factory and they have different name on it. So just for example, I'll show you guys here. I have a LC Fun. So these ones they put branding on the box, and they don't have branding on the lighter itself. But look, guys, it's the exact same thing. This one doesn't have any branding on the box, but it has branding on the lighter. So depending on where you put the branding, it might be a different price from the factory, but it's the exact same thing, guys. Why I purchased this one? Well, just to see if there was any difference, but there's not. It comes from the same factory, but this one was like 13 bucks. So guys, these things are going down in prices. If you can snag one up for that price, guys, it is a good deal. So let me put the LC Fun on the side here, and this has been my EDC lighter for a little bit now. So this one. So now I have the Tomolo, so this is the exact same thing, but I'm just gonna keep it charged, guys, and this is gonna go in an EDC bag or something, just something to keep if you're going camping, or if you want to put this in an emergency kit. I love these things, guys. This is waterproof, so you have an O-ring sealed all around there, so you can see right there that little gasket all around. So when you close it up and you fold that here, it puts a little bit of pressure on, so you have to press it shut, and it just closes it shut. It's closed all around. It's waterproof, so no water is getting in there. So you could have that in your pocket, fall in the water, or just, and after that you just open it up, you just shake it up, open it up, and just light stuff up on the fire, guys. So yeah, so this is from the factory. I didn't even charge that, and you have a charge from the factory. So you should charge it though once you get it. Put in a charger and put a charge in there. So guys, this thing comes with a emergency whistle and a USB micro USB cable. So you have your micro USB cable, and you have a small whistle in there. So yeah guys, I love these things. Why? Because this is something that is less likely to fail than something like a traditional butane lighter. So over the years, guys, I had so many different brands, expensive one like Colibris, and different brands that were more expensive. At one point there was one that had a green flame, and you could change the flame color on it, and it's just, guys, I had a bunch over the years, guys, and it just it's something that always fails. So these days I run with something, not this is a Jobon, but this sells for 10 bucks, and you can see there I've been playing with this for a little bit, but it's gonna fail eventually, guys. It's gonna fail, and it's not gonna work anymore. So I have the X-Lite lighter, so the X-Lite small butane lighter, and this is something you buy at the dollar store. They're $1.50, and they're like a little flame lighter, so it's a little jet lighter. So but these things last as long as they do, so probably maybe one refill, because you can refill them, and after that they just give up the ghost. But they're pretty good while they last. So I forgot one like twice in my jeans pocket while I was doing a wash, and it kept working. So it's not bad in that regards, but it's gonna fail eventually, because the butane and stuff like that, they have to go up, and they have to go into that little nozzle, and get kind of filtered out or something, and it just eventually there's always something, and the burner just always fails, guys. With this thing, the battery might fail, but the battery, a lithium-ion battery, they're going to keep a charge. Even if it's not a big charge, they're going to keep a charge. So you have a small, what's it called, solar panel. So you get a small solar charger with you guys. You bring this out in the woods, and you can survive for years. with this thing. You just plug it in, recharge it a little bit, and even if the battery loses charge, it's still gonna have enough charge to light up something for like 20 times or something before you need to recharge it. So yeah guys, this is why this thing is a must for emergency kit, or if you're just an outdoor enthusiast, you like to go camping, you like to go, you just have something in your emergency bag. Guys, this isn't gonna keep a charge as long as something like that's butane. So if you put that in an emergency bag or something, think about recharging it. So small solar charger or something included in this pack, just a small solar panel that recharges. It's just a must, guys. But yeah guys, Tomolo USB ARC lighter, waterproof, same thing as the LC Fun, little arc plasma thing. So guys, this thing, these technologies are something that's it's gonna be the new thing now. Arc lighter is just, they have some to light up a candle that are recessed and just hard to access. So you have a little arc lighter, you just put it in there, and you don't have any flame that's coming back up. So arc lighters are great, guys, and in my opinion, they're gonna last longer. For an arc lighter, even something like this from China, it's pretty good quality, but it's not the best that it could be. It's still gonna outlast, in my opinion, something like this. So just a small butane. It could be discussed in the comments, guys. You can tell me, I have that type of butane lighter for years, but I don't know, guys. I had Colibris, I had lighters that were more expensive. I was putting premium butane fuel in there, and it always eventually fails, guys. So yeah, something like this, in my opinion, guys, it's a must. So you have different brands. So LC Fun, this one also comes with a whistle and micro USB. So it's the exact same lighter, guys. So exact same lighter, different name. So if you can get it for like 12 bucks, 13 bucks, jump on it, guys. It's a good buy. So the Tomolo, guys, but they're all the same brand. So if you see that type of USB lighter with a 4 arc design like this, and I like this one, guys, because it protrudes out so you can reach closer to the things you want to light on fire, compared to the other one that's a kind of 2 prongs on each side, and you have to put stuff through it almost to light it on fire. I think this thing is more logical, guys, and it's just better in my opinion. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That's always appreciated, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.